Hey everyone, we are going to do this lesson right here, log equations first degree. For that, we need to apply all these great ideas we learned in our last few lessons about logs. So we need to convert them from addition to multiplication, division. We need to convert exponents, and we need to do conversion from logs back to exponential form. So we're going to use all of those nice handy skills you guys learned. In our first problem, I scrolled through some of the problems and I got the messiest one to do first so that we get everything in here. All right, so here's our problem, which is log 6 of 3x minus 3 times log base 6 of 4 equals 4. All right, and so that's our problem. So it says find x. Well, we can't find x when x is in the log side. All right, so we have to convert this, but first we have to simplify it. All right, and so step one, I noticed that we have an exponent right here. So our first step is to take care of that. To take care of that, we are just going to move that on the inside of this parentheses right there. All right? So that's going to change our problem to log 6 of 3x minus log 6 of 4. And I'll just put a little 3 here in a different color to show you where that 3 went. So that 3 went right there, equals 4. All right. All right, so step 1 was take care of our exponent. All right, step 2 is we're going to convert this subtraction. So this is a subtraction problem. So we're going to convert subtraction to division. All right, so that's our division up here. All right, and so for that, we're going to have, let's change the colors of these to make sure we know where everything goes. So 3x goes there. All right, and so when we rewrite this, all we do is put the 3x in the numerator. So we have 3x, that goes in the numerator, and then we take this 4 over 3, and that goes in the denominator. All right, and then we put brackets around it, and we call that log 6. All right, and we can't forget about our 4 over here. All right, so that was step 2. Step 3 is convert to exponential form. Convert to exponential form. All right, so to convert from exponential to exponential form, super easy. All we do is focus on the base, right? All we do is focus on the base. So here's our base. So that base is going to be right here, 6, and this 4 is going to become the exponent, and then we have 3x over 4 to the 3rd power. Okay, so now we just have an algebra problem. All right, and so first we have to convert 4 to the 3rd power. So 4 to the 3rd power is 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. All right, so we have a 64 there. All right, and this is, I can't do 36 in my head. So let's go over here with our calculator, and 6 to the 4th power, hit enter, and 6 to the 4th power is 1296. All right, so 6 to the 4th is equal to 1296. All right, so I got 1296 here. All right, so what's the first thing I do? whenever I have a fraction in the denominator, I multiply by the fraction to get rid of it. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 64. Holy cow. I definitely can't do that in my head. 1296 times 64. It's a lot of work so far. I hope we get the right answer. All right, and so that equals 82944 and 3x. These two canceled out. And now I divide by 3. So I don't know if you can divide that evenly by 3. 8, 2, I don't think so. Divided by 3. Oh yeah, you can. All right, so that's 27,648. All right, so that was a lot of work. Let's hope the answer's right. Let's see, where am I? There we go. All right, so what do we say? 27,648. Submit answer. Yes, that's what I think it is. And green check. All right, so a lot of work, but we did get the right answer. The rest of the problems shouldn't be that difficult.